Hi friends, welcome back to Abby's Digital Nook. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find some free audiobooks for your Kobo. Now, the reason why I even discovered this is because I wanted to make a video about the battery drainage when listening to an audiobook so I could compare it to my Kindle Basic because I already did a test on that. And so I wanted to do a comparison video of the Kobo versus the Kindle on what drains battery more, which is coming up soon, by the way. But anyways, I realized that I didn't have any audiobooks on my Kobo because I primarily listen to all of my audiobooks on my Kindle or on my phone through Audible. I'm not able to send audiobooks to my Kobo unless I convert them to like MP3 or something. So I didn't want to go through all the hassle. I was like, there's got to be like at least one or two free books that I can just put on my Kobo so I can test it, so I can do this test. And turns out there's a lot of free audiobooks directly on the Kobo website. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find these free audiobooks, how to navigate them. I think there's about 1,500 free books. I mean, some of them, granted, are trash. They have 1-star reviews, like really bad, and they're like AI generated, not an actual narrator, but there's a lot of like good quality, like high quality audiobooks. And some authors that I already knew on there had some like little mini series and novellas, and I love a good novella, like especially like if I'm racing through a project and I just need 2-hour blitz of a book, it's perfect. So I was like, okay, let me find a couple. I'm going to download them so I can film this video today, which I'm going to try and film soon at some point after this. But I wanted to come on anyway and tell you guys how to get these free audiobooks. So let's jump into my computer and let me show you how. Okay, so you're going to type in free Kobo audiobooks into Google and you'll see a bunch of search results, and you're going to find this page that says embark on auditory adventures with free audiobooks. This is going to take you directly to a page full of freebies. There is another way to get to the free list, but you need to be logged into your Kobo account. So this is obviously assuming you have a Kobo. So there are tons and tons of audiobooks. These books are not organized on this page in terms of like style and type of genre it is. It's just an overarching list of free books. So you can simply just scroll through, see the synopsis, pick ones that you think might pique your interest, and just add it to your Kobo library. It's completely free, no strings attached. As you can see, there's over 1,500 results in this page. So there's a lot. There's a lot. So now we're going to go to the main audiobooks page. This basically lists like bestsellers, stuff like that. None of these are going to be free, obviously, but they might be on sale. But that's not the goal here. The goal is to find completely free. So if you go to the main audiobook page again and select your genre, my favorite is romance, so that's where I'm at. And then if you then narrow that down a little bit more by selecting like the subcategory that you want, so I just pick contemporary, for example, and if you scroll down the side, they have a box for free items only. Like, what? Kindle is so annoying because you have to go through hoops to make it like show you all the free products, but you can still do it on Amazon too. But they have a little checkbox where it just makes it so easy. And then you just have this list of all the free audiobooks in the genre that you want, and you can just add them in 2 seconds. It's so easy, and I don't know why I didn't add this before. So I just wanted to come in here and create this video for you guys because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a battery drain test for the audios, and I wanted an audiobook, and I discovered that I can get 55 audiobooks for free that are in my genre that I like and stuff that I probably will listen to while I'm at work. So yeah. After getting all of those free books, it automatically syncs to my Kobo because I'm signed in on my Kobo, obviously. So it automatically syncs through your Kobo account directly to your Kobo. I got over 50 audiobooks for free from Kobo directly. So yeah, I'm gonna be listening it up over the next few weeks. So that is how you can find free audiobooks directly from Kobo. You may already have known this and you may not have, but I thought that I would share the love because I didn't know anything about it until I was looking for audiobooks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.